demo of how you can use Multimodal Live API from Gemini. You just need to open your terminal and write npm install and npm start. Once you have done that, it will set a few dependencies for you and a development server will open. Now if you see, I have this blank console, but it is not like that as you think. You can click on all, and right now it's paused. Okay, first click on this and you can see that it says client open, connected to socket, client send, setup and all those stuff. Let me reopen it, and now we can talk, right? Google Gemini.
Okay, I understand.
So
Is there
tell me your
anything you would like?
capabilities, please.
I can access and process information from the real world through Google Search and other tools. I can also engage in conversations and generate different creative text formats. Additionally, I'm able to execute Python code. Is there anything specific you'd like to know more about?
Right now, what I have selected.
Could you clarify what you mean by what I have selected? Are you
Okay, let me
referring to
share
something?
the screen first of all to you. So if you see here, it is showing the as well. And now if I try to select something, can you tell me what I have selected?
Certainly, I can see you've selected the line 13 hours, 29 minutes, and 32 seconds server.send.turn complete in the left-hand console.
Great, thanks.
Is there... You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, we are just closing this demo.
Okay, sounds good. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
So what am I wearing this?
In the image, you are wearing a red-colored shirt.
Okay, and is there any light?
Yes, it does appear there is light in the image. The background is mostly white, which suggests a light source.
Is there any flicker in the video?
I do not see any flicker in the video.
But I can see this flickering of black over my face. So can you detect that?
I'm not seeing a black flickering over your face in the video. Could it be an issue with your monitor or the way the video is displaying on your end?
Okay, so have I weared any helmet or mask right now?
No, I do not see you wearing a helmet or a mask in the video.
Okay, thank you. I can close the demo now. That's all from my side.
Okay, thank you for showing me the demo. Have a
Yeah.
good day.
You too.